If you're living in England and need extra money for things like home improvements, consolidating debt, or covering unexpected expenses, personal loans can be a helpful option. Many banks and online lenders in the UK offer personal loans with competitive interest rates and flexible repayment terms. In this video, we're going to look at 3 of the best personal loan options in England in 2026. Let's get started. The first option is TSB Bank Personal Loan. TSB is known for offering some of the lowest personal loan interest rates in the UK, with representative APRs starting around 5.6% depending on the loan amount and your credit profile. Borrowers can usually request between £1,000 and £35,000, and repayment terms typically range from 1 to 7 years. One of the advantages is that the application process is simple and can be completed entirely online. The second option is Santander UK Personal Loan. Santander is one of the largest banks in the UK and offers competitive personal loan products with rates starting at around 5.9% APR for qualified borrowers. Loan amounts can reach up to £25,000 or more, and repayment terms can extend to 5 years or longer depending on the plan. Many borrowers choose Santander because of its stable reputation and flexible repayment options. The third option is Novuna Personal Finance Personal Loan. Novuna is a well-known lender in the UK and is often rated among the top personal loan providers by financial comparison sites. Loans typically range from £1,000 to £35,000, with repayment periods from 2 to 7 years. The company offers fixed monthly payments and quick credit decisions, and in many cases borrowers can receive funds within 2 working days. So, in summary, 3 of the best personal loan options in England in 2026 are TSB Bank, one of the lowest interest rates available, Santander UK trusted bank with flexible loan terms, Novuna Personal Finance, fast approval and competitive rates. Most personal loans in the UK allow you to borrow between £1,000 and £50,000, with repayment periods of up to 7 years, depending on your credit history and income. And that's it! If this video helped you learn about the best personal loans in England for 2026, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more finance and money tips.